Two ways to get the more dramatic black and white image and better than the just desaturating a layer. Desaturating a layer just converts it into the grayscale value, which does not seems right. Go to the adjustment layer icon and then make the black and white adjustment layer, which can give you the 6 color slider. That's control one of the 6 primary colors in the image to adjust the brightness of the each color and make the more dramatic and sharp according to you. And there you have preset as well. You can scroll through which look good enough. Or I have the another trick which is the more efficient than this one. So let's get into it our Photoshop screen.
All you have to do, go to the image calculation. Now it's alright giving you the black and white version of your image. Now we need to choose a blend mode which is more dramatic enough. For this example, I'm going to choose multiply because multiply looks more amazing and more dramatic. Now you can play with the channel source 1 and source 2. So the top of one I'm going to choose blue and for the bottom one I'm going to choose green. You can play with it to see which look good enough on your image. You can also play with the opacity if you want to. I'm going to keep at the 70% and make sure the result is on the new channel and then hit OK. Go to the channel and see the new alpha channel has been created. Now make sure the alpha channel is selected. Press Ctrl or Command A, Ctrl or Command C, come back to the layer, create a new layer and then press Ctrl or Command V to paste on it. Now you have the black and white version of your image on the top of the all layers. Now create a curvy adjustment layer and make it more dramatic. And just like that.
And see you on the other day with other awesome tutorials. So until then, think creative.